Welcome children in bio class. Today now I am going to teach you pleiotropy. According to Mendel's, a single trait is controlled by a single gene, or a single gene can express a single character. But you will study in the pleiotropy, a single gene can express more than one characters or traits. The ability of gene to influence more than one trait is called pleiotropy. There are many examples of pleiotropy. First example is in pea plant, a single gene can influence color of flower and color of seed coat. Second example is in Drosophila, a single gene affect the size of wings, color of eye, position of dorsal bristles, shape of spermatheca, and length of life. In pea plant, starch synthesis in pea seed is controlled by one gene. This gene influences the shape of seed and size of the seed. The gene has two alleles, capital B and small b. Large starch grains are produced when genes are in dominant homozygous condition, that is capital B and capital B. Seeds are round. Less starch seed is produced when the genes are in recessive homozygous condition, that is small b and small b. The seeds are wrinkled. In heterozygous capital B and small b, starch grains are of intermediate size. So there is a single gene that is influencing the shape of the seed, that is round or wrinkled. When less starch grains are produced, then shape become wrinkled, and when large starch grains are produced, then shape of the seed is round. And large starch is produced when the genes are in dominant homozygous condition, and small starch grains are produced when the recessive genes are in homozygous condition. Therefore, we can say here a single gene express the shape of the seed and the size of the starch grains, size of the seed. Other example is disease phenylketonuria in human beings. It is due to mutation of a gene that codes for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme converts the amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine, and this tyrosine is used for the formation of melanin pigment. Due to mutation of gene, the enzyme becomes inactive. So when enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase becomes inactive, then phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine and melanin pigment is not produced. Due to this, concentration of phenylalanine in the body increase to a toxic level, and it is dangerous to the human body. The phenotypic expression due to this are mental retardation, reduction in hair, loss of skin pigmentation, blue color of eye, abnormally small head. So It is a good example of pleiotropy because a single gene produces more than one phenotypic effect in human being.